Good afternoon. This is the Spooky Lockpicker. I'm here today to tell you that a challenge has been issued. RunePicker has created what he calls the 3-Monkey Challenge. To complete the challenge, you must pick a lock while blindfolded so that you see no evil, with your ears blocked so that you hear no evil, and without yapping so that you speak no evil. Check the description or the card that should be popping up about now to see RunePicker issue the challenge. I have decided to pick up the gauntlet by picking this Master Lock 141 Blind, Deaf, and Dumb. It's a very simple lock that I have opened countless times. I would even say that I could pick it blindfolded. Let's see if that's true. I will be attacking the lock with this Goso hook and Z-bar. I have chosen the Goso hook because I think the large molded handle will make it easy to find on the table while blindfolded. If you are drinking along at home, I am enjoying a Mojito. To make that, you muddle 2/4 of a lime and a mint sprig in a glass. You add a shot of rum and half a shot of simple syrup. You then add ice and top it off with seltzer water. Okay, let's bring out the vise and get started. Alright, so as you can see, I've had to rearrange my setup a little bit. Having the tripod for my camera in between me and the lock while picking blind just seemed like a bad idea. I've also moved my microphone from my shirt to the lock. Hopefully those taps weren't too loud. Since I'm not going to be talking, I'm hoping that's going to do a little bit better job of picking up lock sounds. Now, for deafening myself, got this here, where's the camera? Got this hearing protection right here. And as you can see, this is legit make you not hear stuff, hearing protection, not just headphones or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and put these on. For blinding myself, I have this sleep mask that should do just fine. In a moment, I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and then I will shut up and see if I can get that lock open without seeing or hearing it. The mask is on, and I am now shutting up. Alright, I'm calling it. Okay. Alright, so the microphone I think might have been getting in my way a little bit. Putting the mask and earmuffs back on for attempt number 2. Okay, off with the earmuffs and off with the mask. Alright, so that was not my best effort. What happened there, I think, is basically picking backwards because I had to have the vise in a different orientation than I'm used to, combined with not being able to see it. I got turned around and was tensioning the thing backwards. And yeah, struggling with it for a good 10 or 15 minutes, but on that second attempt, we got it open. So, if you enjoyed watching me struggle with what is probably the easiest lock in my collection, make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, have yourself a great day.